Premium stock from Panini. Welcome back, everybody, to A Life of Hobbies. Today I have for you a mega box break of the 23-24 premium stock NBA hoops. We got all kinds of stars in here to pull. Lots of great rookies. Tons of inserts, parallels, you name it. These mega boxes are loaded, and we're gonna get right into it. So let's go ahead and tear this baby open. This is a pickup from my local card shop, and I'm really hoping my local card shop comes through. Mega boxes aren't my favorite thing to open. They are fairly pricey. But let's see what we get. Busted on our last video, opening up the Don Russ. No downtowns for us in there. Maybe we'll redeem ourselves here. By the way, this is 5 packs towards our count. Usually it's 6 in most of the blasters and whatnot. Mega box is 5. 10 cards per pack, total of 50 cards. We got Draymond Green, Danny SGA, DeMar DeRozan, Cason Wallace on the cracked ice, rookie card, Austin Reeves, Jordan Miller, City edition of LeBron James. Sheesh! Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, SGA on the sheesh. And then Alperen Sengun and Cam Whitmore. Lots of rookie cards in this pack. Cam Whitmore. Had on our prisms here. Rookie. Alright. Not a bad pull to open up with that LeBron James right there. City edition. On the premium stock. Personally, I'd rather have a premium or a City edition of Luka. I'm more of a Luka fan than a LeBron fan. We got Jalen Green, Moritz Wagner, Scotty Barnes of the Toronto Raptors. All right. Rudy Gobert, Kyle Kuzma, and we got a blue parallel of Taylor Hendricks. Are these numbered? They are 95 of 99. All right. So there's a numbered hit. And Damian Lillard on the hoopla. And that is what I'm talking about with Luka Doncic on the anti-gravity. I'm collecting that right there for sure. Keontae Johnson and Spencer Dinwiddie. So what other rookies? Did we get any other rookies in there? Nope. All right. So we got a numbered card. We got a Luka anti-gravity there. That's pretty good. Some nice inserts in here. Got Damian Lillard on the hoopla. A little Paolo Banchero in the back there. Drew Holiday. Sadiq Bey. And Ayo Dosunmu. And on the green, we got Alex Caruso on the green foil. Are these numbered? 70 of 75. Kelly Oubre Jr., Gary Trent Jr., and Joel Embiid. All right, we got a Steph Curry here. Anti-gravity Steph Curry. Bow! How about that? Get up there with my boy Luka. Yeah. Jordan Hawkins on the rookie and Paolo Banchero. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Got Daniel Gafford in the back. I don't know. Is Victor Wembanyama in this? He should be, right? Vince Williams Jr., Bradley Beal, Isaac Okoro. Is there two there? There's two there. They're stuck together. Well, not stuck, but Julian Strother on the rookie. And our first foil is going to be Josh Hart. I don't think these are numbered. These are probably base, yeah. You can see that number right there in the middle. All right. Andre Drummond, Anthony Davis, and LaMelo Ball. There we go. There's a good one. LaMelo Ball. City edition of Grady Dick, rookie. And Daniel Gafford. It's too bad the city editions aren't like the downtown for football. Lord knows I've pulled a whole bunch of city editions. Amani Bates on the rookie. Jaden Springer. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Karis LeVert on the foil. Bobby Portis. RJ Barrett. And Jalen Wilson. Pretty good right there. Jaime Jaquez on the Attack the Rack rookie card. And Isaiah Wong and Harrison Barnes. All right. Well, not the worst, not the best. We did get two numbered cards. We did pull LaMelo Ball. What are they calling these? Prisms? Yeah, prisms. Ice prisms, right? And of course, the Alex Caruso, 70 of 75. Get some sleeves here real quick so we can sleeve these up. I think I have some hard sleeves back here too. Yep. I got some hard sleeves back there. My fingers aren't working. We'll just slide it off the table then. So there's LaMelo. Get that into a hard sleeve here real quick. Should get my rack over here. Get that back on the stage, right? Stand these guys up. On the blue cracked ice, 95 of 99. Taylor Hendricks. That name sounds awfully familiar, but I don't know. Maybe it's a different player I'm thinking of. Probably a different player I'm thinking of. And then we got our fly boys, Luka and Steph over here on the anti-gravities. So I don't know if Victor Wembanyama's in this or not. So there we go. All right, not a bad rip. Certainly could have done worse, right? Got some good pulls in there. So that's our first look at the premium stock. I think I'm going to pick up a couple of blasters and see how we do on those. May have a video for you here in the future with that. Thanks so much for stopping by, y'all. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care now.